Hi, very good morning, traders from TradeWest. Uh, it is Tuesday morning, 10:35. So there has been a market open down, and we have got a entry here 10:35. So the market has been bullish after opening. So I'm seeing a target here T1 and T2. So 35,500 and 35,560. So the stop loss will be anywhere around 35. So we have drawn the resistance lines here. So the reason to take entry is that there was no momentum in the market. So the market had been going up and there was a divergence at 10:10. And then the two red candles formed, and then the candle closed as two green candles, one below R2 and one above R2 and Marubozu. So the trade is just simple. It is either a stop loss here or a target. And since it has been bullish and there was a divergence and as well as retracement happened, and the market closed above R2 very confidently. Let's see if right now it is forming a wick, but in case it closes below R2, then it is the market might come down. But right now it doesn't look like it's already tested R2 here. The very so if it crosses 600 560, then 600 may be the target. 620. So we'll wait. We have taken an entry in 35,600 CE. So not much of movement in the CE right now. We got an entry at 115. Let's wait. So this CE has not expanded much. It's not like it is just out of the money. Why we choose is like it has huge potential to expand. So far it is good. We'll wait. And also taken this is taken a support from the EMA as well below. So the only one concern I have is that is also not a concern. The RSI is also not a concern. The momentum is there. So this candle is good, but let's hope it crosses today's high. Then there will be a lot of momentum. And also considering it's already 10:30, I don't know whether we will have to wait for till 1 hour, 2 hours to get this target what we are looking for. Because after certain time the momentum comes down. in the market. So we'll come back again. We'll leave it as it is. Stop loss is 103 based upon this one index and option, but we'll go with index stop loss here. It may not be 103, it may be lower than that. So, but um, we are looking for targets, not stop loss. And either market gives whatever, we are okay with that. So far for it has formed a wick below as well. This candle. We don't want to see two consecutive red candles here. That is the thing. That means the market is bearish. Very good close here. And this will also be an entry. This candle is also an entry here. If we had not entered earlier, we would be entering here. Okay, so this is a good indication. So there are chances of breakout here. It's forming a week after reaching the high, today's high. We want this also to close as a Marubozu and close above the today's high. Okay, it's forming a red candle, which is not good. We'll wait. The two green candles are the key for us to enter. So it's a very strong bullish market. So not much movement. Okay, so this is good. This is a good indication. Okay, very good close. Marubozu again. Now it has to cross the today's high and then the 35,500 511 is our target. So in options, we don't want to spend a lot of time in the targets as well. So that is one. The momentum needs to be there in the market to reach. Otherwise, we'll be just theta decay will be happening. The time decay of the option premium. So very good. Three soldiers. Okay, so we want this. So this should not be a, this, yeah, this should not close inside the high of today. This should close above. And the market doesn't listen to what we want, okay, what we expect. But the favorable conditions are what we are speaking when we are saying it should close and all that. And I am not attached to those results. I am clear, either I am taking the target here, and if the target, if not target, I am taking stop loss. So there is no significance to what is happening in the market to my so we have reached the target one, and we have taken profit in certain lots. So the it has been bullish, and like we are looking to take for target 2 now. Target 2 is somewhere around 35,560. So if it closes below the target 1, or like if this is a red candle, we may have to exit. So we'll be exiting there. So it is very good. It has closed above the 35,500 level. 35,511. And this candle should close above the outside the wick of the last previous candle. So far good. We are reaching towards our target too. Okay, very good. Bullish candle being formed. So already the first target we have gotten 30 rupees profit in this. So we are looking for somewhere around 173. 140 is where it is right now. And 47. Forming a wick above, it should, it's not a good indication. Not a good indication that it is closed with the previous week, within the previous week. Let's see how this candle takes momentum from here. Okay, this is at 140 now. This, if it closes below 511, then we'll exit this trade. Right now, it looks like the candle is going to be reversing. We'll wait till the close of this candle. If it's below 511, then we should not stay in the trade. So we still are at around 28 rupees. profit on this. Okay, it formed a lower wick, very good. If this closes above the previous candle, okay, and a Marubozu, then we are definite to reach our target too. Okay, it's crossing the high. Okay, very good. Then the target. Oh, we have reached our target. Okay, a good moment here. So we'll wait for how this candle will close. And modifying the target here. R3 is what I want. Let's look. 35,600. Okay, we'll reach R3. 35,611. If we reach, we should exit. No more being greed. Okay, I'll be exiting here, completely completing the trade.